This meditation is for those of you whose SP is at a distance. If you are keenly aware of the distance between you and them, this meditation is for you. Maybe your specific person is in another country, another city, or in another part of the world. Maybe there is emotional distance that makes the geographical distance feel greater than it is. Maybe you wonder how it will be possible to close the distance between you and your SP. If that's where you are, this meditation can change that. In this meditation, we are going to erase the distance. Set aside this time for yourself in a place that is comfortable for you. And when you are ready, settle in. Relax, close your eyes, and begin to focus on your breathing. Now let's do 4 breaths in for 4 and out for 4. Breathing in for 4 and breathing out for 4. Breathing in for 4 and breathing out for 4. Breathing in for 4 and breathing out for 4. Breathing in for 4 and breathing out for 4. Now, imagine the place where your specific person lives. Maybe you know something about what this place looks like. Or maybe it's a place that you have never been to. Trust your imagination to show you this place. Your specific person's place. Imagine the rooms that your specific person spends the most time in. See the way your specific person goes from room to room over the course of the day or evening. Now continue to relax and focus on your breathing as you see your specific person at home. Breathing in for 4 and breathing out for 4. Breathing in for 4 and breathing out for 4. Now, as you see your specific person, see them going from one place in their home to another. Along the way, you see them pause. They stand still and they look at a wall. It is a very plain and ordinary wall. Your specific person is thinking about you as they stop, stand still, and look at the wall. Because this is not an ordinary wall. Your specific person knows that on the other side of this wall is the space where you live, the rooms that you are in on an ordinary day. The thickness of this wall is all the distance that stands between you and your specific person. Your specific person knows that, and you now know that too. It is so little distance that if you were both standing there at the same time, on opposite sides of this wall, your energy fields would overlap. Your energy fields would collide. Your specific person would feel your energy. You would feel your SP's energy as well. Maybe it would be just for a moment as you pass by each other, but you would both feel it. Your specific person is imagining what is on the other side of the wall from where they are standing, which means they are imagining you in your space and what you might be doing right now. So now, imagine your own space and see if you can locate the wall, a plain, ordinary wall, somewhere in the rooms that you sit or live in every day. Which wall is it that stands between your space and your SP's space? Just see this wall and imagine if you can see through the wall just for a moment and see your specific person standing there looking at the other side of the wall. In your mind for a moment, just imagine this scene. You are standing on one side of the wall and your SP is standing right on the other side. The two of you are standing there just to be close to each other for a moment. Now watch as your specific person steps away and goes on to the next place they were going to go, and the next thing they were going to do. And now, pull your attention away too. Pull your attention away from the wall and return your attention to where you physically are right now. Physically in this scene and in your imagination. Now focus your attention again on your breathing. Breathing in for 4 and breathing out for 4. Breathing in for 4 and breathing out for 4. Breathing in for 4 and breathing out for 4. And now begin to return your attention to your body, where you are physically. All you need to remember from this meditation is that there is no real distance to cross. Anytime you feel a separation between you and your specific person, the feeling is real. But you don't have to turn that feeling into the idea of someone or something being far away. Distance is an illusion, and you have just seen how easily that illusion can be erased. Now, begin to slowly come back to where you are. Slowly begin to notice the sounds around you, inside or outside. Wiggle your fingers and toes and slowly move your head from side to side and bring yourself back to where you are physically. Returning your attention to the room that you are currently in. Slowly begin to open your eyes and notice a few objects in the room. Now, as you go about the rest of your day, at any point that you choose, you can remember that your SP is not far away. They are not so far from you, where you are right now. They are just on the other side of your wall. Lots of love, everyone, and thank you, Rick, for writing this script for me.